What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Cash checking in with another video with a motherfucking other one. And today, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a full review on this exhaust. Let me know what y'all think. Me personally, I honestly think I should take it back to the shop and get the mid mufflers deleted too, but I only have the rear mufflers deleted so far. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, me personally, I think I should go ahead and take this joint back and get the rest of it moved down, but I ain't trying to be too hot now. So I'm gonna go ahead and spark this joint up. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think.
Gas coming out. Damn! It's gas coming out.
That's not gas, that's water.
So is water leaking from that pipe?
Yes, there's water leaking from the pipe. And with that being said, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. I'm out.
Get me out of there, my lips are fucked.
Hood rich. All my life, I wanna be hood rich. They come. Hood rich. Yeah, they come.
Really late.
Hood rich.
This boy got a hit.
One of the bands. Hey, hey. One of the bands.